So whoa, what's up? What's going on, world? I know it's been a minute, so I'm back in my hometown. Been back here in Atlanta, ATL. So yeah, this is where I'm from. But we're here. I'm gonna stop calling it the Georgia Dome. I'm still say the Georgia Dome, but I'm still calling it the Georgia Dome. But we had the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. So today it's the start of the Copa America tournament here. So for 2024 Copa America tournament featuring Argentina and Canada. So this will be my first time in the same presence, in the same vicinity as the great Leo Messi. So you know, I'm excited, man. You know, I'm very excited. You know, even though, you know, my heart still bleeds Brazil, the Canary Yellow. But hey, I gotta show my respect for Messi. You know, he's one of the greats. You know, he's up here with this legend right here. So he's up here with this legend right here. So you know what I mean. So, but yeah. So I hear my road dog here, Malik. What's up, Malik? What's good, bro? What's good? What's good, man? You alright? You good?
Bueno. Sí,
So Malik.
Estoy listo para el partido. I'm ready for the game.
Tá bom. Say Malik, say he's you know, he's Spanish elite right here, man. Spanish elite.
Un poco.
So a little bit, definitely knows more than me.
Jersey, playeras, 30.
Love it. I love it. Hey, you gotta translate for me. You gotta translate for me.
Watermelon Gatorade, ice cream. $30, 30. They Messi jerseys, that's a steal.
Yeah, so we just checking things out.
Canadians in the mix.
Oh yeah, you know, gotta show love to
Representing
fellow Canadians.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I told you. We can go.
Yeah, I get the idea.
$18.95. $18.95. Exactly, $18.95. North side.
no, que siguiera derecho. Y dice, el man sigo aquí. No más que zapas, ahí loco, ya lo puso dos, la clase. Que se vea. Ah, eso.
Excuse me, bro. You know what Mitchell Street? Mitchell Street is
This
at?
is it.
Okay, all right. We here.
It got a old, that's the old name.
Okay. Yeah, what is it now? What is it now?
MLK. This is MLK. That's MLK North.
Oh,
This
so no
is
more
Mitchell.
Mitchell Street, huh?
Yeah, you own it. Appreciate it.
See, I wonder this is what they talking about.
Colombian coffee.
Oh no, that's it. I started saying obrigado again, bro. See, I gotta catch myself not saying Portuguese, bro. Yeah. You know what? Hey, I'm gonna be like fuck it, bro. You know what? I'm gonna Portuguese come out, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We saw
Bem. Bem.
Eu comprei um taco.
Oh, você comprou?
Sim.
Ah, tá. Quantos?
Ellos tienen los tacos veganos.
Veganos.
Sin el mil.
Ah, cardápio?
Sí.
Ah, tá.
¿Tienes salsa verde? Sí. Salsa verde. Que tenga buen día. Tomatillo. ¿Crema? No crema. Sí, crema. Obvio. Perfecto.
Qual é carne? Frango?
Ah,
Frango? É carne?
what that mean?
Pollo?
Oh, chicken?
Oh, não. Se lo siento. Você não come carnes. Não, você não.
Okay. Gracias. Gracias.
Hey, they got the screen over there.
Because you said you captured everything, you know? So it probably fits the theme that you're going all over the place because really I'm recording all of it.
Yeah, right. Oh, you got it authentic.
I didn't get those.
I got like popcorn ready. Or is my dinner to work when I work? This is how tight it was. Let's say 5.
Arian.